Before you spend $5, $10, or $20,000 on foundation repair, spend $250. That decision could save you thousands. My name is Richard Rash. I've spent over 40 years studying why foundations move and why so many repairs fail. Most homeowners make one mistake. They call a foundation repair company. That sounds logical, until you realize you're calling someone whose business is selling foundation repairs. If all they sell is piers, guess what they're most likely to recommend? Piers. Sometimes they're exactly what's needed. Many times they aren't. I've inspected thousands of homes after repairs had already been installed. Many were still moving, not because the contractor was dishonest, but because the cause of the movement wasn't corrected. Water, drainage, plumbing leaks, expensive clay. Those problems don't disappear just because steel was driven into the ground. Before you spend thousands, spend a few $100s finding out what's really happening. During July, my in-home consultation is just $250. No repair sales. No commission. Just independent advice. Call or text me today.